What's up, y'all? Got a Jeep Wrangler for you. Are you ready? 4-door, JKU, black with a hardtop, automatic, 4-wheel drive, and got a slight lift and some BFG tires. I tell you, just the way I like it. When you get started buying your Jeep Wrangler, you want some of those things. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. All right, what a good looking Jeep, by the way. Man, I'm liking it, right? Yeah, it looks good. Black with the BFG, which definitely BFGs are, you got it, BF Goodrich tires. Those all-terrains, they call them the KO2s. They're a favorite of mine. They just got a really nice look about them, and they last a long time. They're like, hey, let's put like 50, 60, 70,000 miles on them. So anyways, good stuff there. Front end looks nice on this Jeep. Grill looks good, nice and clean. You got your fog lights. Now I will tell you, this Wrangler is more stock than anything, but it does have the tires and a slight lift kit on it by Rough Country. So it's just a good mix, right? Paint's in good shape, plenty of tread. You got your stock 5-star Jeep wheels. There's your shocks, your springs. So somebody spent the money, got that done. It doesn't have any running boards down the side or any side steps, but still not too high where it's, you know, it's not that difficult getting in and out. You can take the doors off. You can take the roof off in the front and the back, so you can have a little fun with it, just like any other Jeep Wrangler. Now, the back tire is a little different than the other 4 tires. You got BFGs all the way around, but then the back fifth wheel is a Nitto Terra Grappler tire. Still plenty of tread, still brand spanking new, and doesn't look too bad. So there you go. Passenger side in great shape. Man, that wind is just a whipping up, isn't it? But what I will tell you is the Jeep is in good condition. Now, it doesn't have a tow package on the back on this one. Let's go ahead and take a look in the rear. Let's see what we got going on here. Open her up a little bit. Let's go ahead and hit widescreen mode. There we go. Open this up. This one does have the rubber mat in the back. And then it also has the rubber all-season mats in the front and in the second row. So you got these Jeep mats all the way around, which is kind of nice. Whoa, look at that. That's where you can call us at, 843-277-2983, or visit us at 4252 Rivers Avenue, North Charleston. That's a good place to do business at, isn't it? That's because I'm here and everybody else is here. We're all here working hard, making sure you're going to get the best deal that you can, but also get your financing set up, get a good payment, all those good things. That's what we're here to do. Make sure you pull out in your Wrangler feeling great about it. We just had one guy buy one yesterday, and he came back today and showed it to us. Believe me, folks, he is super, super excited and just so happy about owning a Jeep Wrangler again. All right, there's those mats in the back. There's your seats. This one's got the black cloth interior. Roof's in good shape. You got your speakers up top. Let's go ahead and take a look up front. There you go. Somebody added in a really nice Pioneer head unit, touch screen, all that good stuff. Automatic, 4-wheel drive, of course. We're not buying any 2-wheel drive Wranglers here today. It's clean, in good shape. The seats are in good shape, no rips, no tears. Armrest looks nice. There you go. I mean, it's just exactly what you imagined. It's a Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. They call it the JKU. This one, let's go ahead and take a look, see how many miles on it. 152,478 on the miles. So a little bit higher on the mileage, right? 152, but that's not to say it's not going to last, you know, a while. It will. I'm telling you. You can put 200,000 miles on this. Not a problem. Maybe even more. Who knows? All right, everybody. Thank you for watching the video. Definitely visit us online at smccharleston.com. Look at this Jeep, Carfax report, finance information's on there. You can do the application. And also look at all the other Wranglers and 4-wheel drive vehicles we have in SUVs. Have a great day. I'm Chad. I'm a sales guy, but also a car guy. We'll see you soon.